Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to fix Snapchat not working. In case you're not able to use Snapchat, neither you're able to receive update nor you're able to send an update. So I'll be showing you various methods on how to fix Snapchat not working. So all you have to do is follow the instruction correctly. So the first and foremost, one of the reasons why your Snapchat is not working might be your internet connection. In case you don't have a stable internet connection, so that might be one of the reasons why you're not able to use Snapchat. So what you have to do is you'll have to make sure whether the internet connection is stable or not. In case if you have a poor internet connection, then what you can do is just simply swipe down. So after that, what you can do is simply turn on your flight mode for 20 seconds. And after that, you'll have to turn off or disable your flight mode. And after doing that, you might be able to fix your internet issue. And also you might be able to fix your Snapchat issue. So after fixing your internet connection as well, if the Snapchat isn't working, then what you can do is simply head towards your Play Store. And then after that, on the search box, type in Snapchat. And over here, make sure whether the application is updated or not. Instead of open, if you have update button, which means that the update is available. So that might be one of the reasons why your Snapchat isn't working. So after updating your Snapchat application, you might be able to use your Snapchat or your Snapchat might be working. So after updating your Snapchat as well, if you're still unable, then what you can do is simply long press on your Snapchat application and then tap on app info. So after you tap on app info, tap on storage, and out here you'll have to tap on clear cache, and also you might want to tap on clear data. So once you tap on clear data, keeping in mind all your information along with the chat history will be deleted, which means that you'll have to log in once again. In case if you don't know your login information, then make sure to review your login information first of all before you tap on clear data, and then you might be able to fix your problem. So this method is also not a proper solution to solve your problem. So what you can do is after that, you can simply uninstall your Snapchat application and then reinstall your application. So once you reinstall your application, you might be able to fix it, but then as usual, this is also not a proper solution. So sometimes it might be the issue with the server itself. So all you have to do is wait patiently. Now there's one last alternative. What you can do is you can simply restart your device, as sometimes it might be an issue with the device and not with the application. So those were the few methods on how you can fix Snapchat not working. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.